Hello, welcome to PharmaGenDRx. In today's video, we are going to discuss about clinical data management. So, in this video, we will cover up this topic. What is clinical data management? What the clinical data management specialist is done in industry? What are the job profile? Why industry hiring CDM expert? What are the skills required and future prospect and benefits? Basically, in these sectors, experts are collecting, processing, and analyzing the data for approval purpose. They arrange the all the data into a prescribed format. So I can tell you earlier, the clinical data management is a part of clinical research process that CDM experts ensure that the clinical trial data is accurate and it is reliable for the approval purpose. Let's assume that XYZ company launch a new medicines and they want approval for the market purpose of this medicine. FDA are not give approval easily. They want proper data that medicines are safe and effective for human beings. So for this data, XYZ company must go through the clinical research process, and this for this clinical research process they want CDM expert or clinical data management expert to collect and processing the all data. So you understand that it is basically the part of drug development and regulatory approval process. So now discuss about the job roles. There is a huge job roles or jobs in CDM as a CDM industry. So here you can join as a clinical data manager or data analyst or database programmer or quality control specialist. You can join in a junior level and goes up to the senior level, and further and years of experience you join as a director of clinical data program project manager. But there is a question, why industries are hiring CDM experts? I can tell you earlier that you if you want to sell that medicine into a market, you want some approvals. Suppose that you want FDA approval. So in the clinical trial process, can FDA go back and check which process you have done or you have followed? Obviously not. They check the data, how you collected, processed and presented that. According to that data, they can easily understand the medicine pass all the safety and efficacy test or not. If you do not want, if if you don't get FDA approval, your all money are wasted. So now discuss about the skills. For ultimate growth in this sector, you learn some skills. Like you need to know some CDM tools like Oracle softwares or statistical analysis system. You learn or you understand good understanding in regulatory guidelines. You learn some problem solving skills, or mainly you need to know all clinical trial phase. Like there is a four types of clinical trial: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. So you need to know the details knowledge about these phases. So now discuss about future perspectives and benefits. I can tell you one thing. Don't need any specific degree for this clinical data management expert job. You just needed a clinical data management training. But if you are a pharmacy students or any other healthcare professionals, you can easily crack this job because you know everything about medicines or clinical trials. In industry there are huge sectors there you can join as a clinical data management experts. Like there are many pharmaceutical company they can hire, there are many CROs, biotics farms. In India especially there are many IT sectors